K.V. Thomas, the founder of Fabrimech Engineers Pvt Ltd, was born in a small village in Kerala in the year 1941 on February 14th to Mr. Thomas Verghese and Mariamma Verghese. Little did everyone know that from that small village, a man with great passion would grow up and establish a great organization like Fabrimech. Hardship that they faced as a family, running a small petty tea shop by the side of the road, where he would go and help his father in that small business. He slowly grew up his passion for entrepreneurship. He completed his SSLC in the year 1958, and in 1960 he started to work in Neyveli Lignite Corporation as a storekeeper with a starting salary of rupees 100 per month. That was the start of his passion and technical knowledge pursuit. He used to open the store, distribute all the tools, and get into the shop and start learning the technical things like marking, cutting, welding, and discussion with other people about technical things. In the year 1962, he moved from Neyveli to Chennai to pursue his passion in engineering. And he worked in many industries like railways, IOC, KCP, Chemcom, and Coromandel industry. During one of his working day, he had a great setback in his life. He had a fall from a tower when he was working, and he was bedridden for 3 months in his bachelor days. He did not inform anybody at his home. He was taking treatment in the general hospital and he recovered. The company paid him a compensation of 2,000 rupees. With this rupees 2,000 and great determination in his mind, he started Fabrimech in the month of June 1966. And from then on, he had a pursuit for quality and great products to be manufactured, which will be esteemed by all customers. And that was the start of this great organization. It was a humble beginning for K.V. Thomas, but he had a great vision and great hard work. This humble beginning of K.V. Thomas, with determination, efficiency, and hard work, with a small team of workers, moved into a flourishing enterprise. In the year 1966, he got married to Mrs. Annamma Thomas, and he had 5 children, 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and he gave great importance to family, and he also wanted the family culture to be instilled in this organization also. He moved on and built this great organization, and in the year 2018, in the month of October, after inaugurating our new plant, he went to be with the Lord and left a great legacy for us to follow. Today, my brother Stephen K. Thomas and myself and our children are continuing to follow that great footstep that he has left for us. Now we are growing in the domestic market and also internationally. We have started supply of our products to Germany, Australia, Canada, and also moving into other countries. We are sure that the great legacy that he has instilled on us will continue to further generations also, so that we will follow a culture of family, high quality, and entrepreneurship in this great organization. He also had great faith in God in all that he did, and he wanted to do everything ethically. And we thank God for this wonderful example that he had shown. The great lesson that we learned from K.V. Thomas, our father, is that there is no obstacles in life. Obstacles are stepping stone for your next step, and small beginnings with good purpose, determination, hard work, and quality, with focus of customers and your own employees, will build into a great organization, and also the value that you instill into your family will build a great team and family culture within this organization. In the words of our founder, Greatness is not achieved by standing still, but by forging ahead with courage and conviction. So let us march forward together, united in purpose, determined to build upon the wonderful legacy that our founder has left us. Thank you.